jump, you beautiful fish! Woo!
Dang you, why'd you have to catch one the size I caught?
Ah, get up here! That's about... Here's the balloon bed, or I think. Hello everybody, welcome to Bass and Bonsai. That's how we do it. Mwah. It's exactly how you do it. Big monster. Hello everybody, welcome to Bass and Bonsai. Guess what? We are just wrapping up a BFS video right here, but there's some water that I can't quite reach with the BFS gear, and also a possible topwater bite because of the way the skies are and we've got rain. So I'm gonna try the whopper plopper. Got the new single lifestyle handle going. I just made that one, made the knob and the I didn't make the handle, I cut it down. If you guys, you can check out other videos that shows how I do that. But this rod has worked awesome. Also was fishing earlier today and caught a bunch on the whopper plopper. This is kind of mid-afternoon now. But then also I've got to give this a shot. This is that one I keep talking about. So far my favorite. It is the Omega Custom Tackle, and that is Trey Harple's custom color there on this one. That's the Rapture, basically a chatterbait, but the Rapture bladed jig with the colors that I believe is called Shell Cracker. That thing's awesome. It's got the Bass Pro trailer on it, which matches colors. There's almost every color you could think of is on this bait, with the gold blade, like a day like today. Should do good too. So buckle up and hang on. This may be a whole separate video if I catch a few. If I catch just one or something, I'll probably just attach it on the end of the BFS one. So anyway, here we go. Wish me luck. I'm not gonna need it. Let's catch some. We're not done, hang on. Come on, chatter, chatter, don't matter. Got a fish. First cast, just hit the water. They love it. I knew they would love it. Get in here, you beautiful little bitty, scrawny, starved to death bass. Getting rained on. It is pouring. Mwah. That wasn't a big one though. Let's get a big one. Got another one. Just like that, they're hitting like crazy. Might be a little better. No. Still nice bass. That quick. I didn't want that whopper plopper. I threw right in that spot and nothing even bumped it. They're going crazy over the old shell cracker. Come on. Got another one. That's 3 in like a minute, if that. Get up here, you beautiful bass. You little bitty dinks. Uh-oh. A little lightning. Can't kiss them, boys and girls. They're little males. Got another one. Oh man, I can't leave. The storm has set in. We're getting hammered, but they're hammering the chatterbait, and it's not the jackhammer. It, boys and girls, is the Rapture. Mwah. Oh, we kissed a little male. We're getting so excited. Get out there. We got him on a feeding frenzy. You guys think I'm crazy, don't you? All right, one more cast. But really, did we ever stop fishing? No, I can't get enough of this. The rain has died down, so I figure I'll come back out. Got one. He is not big. Look at him though, he's talented, he's a skier. That's the difference between regular gear, medium heavy rod, and an ultralight BFS rod. Especially with bass that little. You ain't gonna make the cut, buddy. Let's go try him back over here. Got another little one. Little bitty guys. Ouch, he dead. Alright, let's go. God, I hate climbing down these rocks. Go kick him back in the water. There you go. He made it. Girls, I still have a hard time believing that this thing can't get any bites out of this place, because this thing was on fire this morning and we're completely overcast. I'm gonna make a few bombs. Let's see, I think I can walk right over here to uncharted territory. And make a cast. Way out there. There we go. Big bass. Big bass. Oh, it's a monster, boys and girls. I got to get down where I can get to it. It's a monster. It's a monster. I ain't kidding you. Look at that bass. Watch him when he jumps. 5-pounder, maybe 4, I don't know. Look at that water. You guys seeing this? Oh my God. I gotta get down here. I gotta get down. Hang on, bass. Look at that bass. Oh. Monster bass out of the strip pit. I don't even see where I'm gonna grab it. There's another one right by it. See it? There's another one just as big under it. I've already got it considered caught. Look at that bass. Look at you, you beautiful fish. Look at that bass. Hang on. Let me get that whopper. Look at that monster. Woo! That's not my personal best, but that is a nice bass. All right, boys and girls, there she is. Woo! That is a monster. Look at that mouth. Mwah. I'm gonna let this baby go. Look at that clear water. You want to jump your way out or swim off? This one we'll just let swim off however it wants to go. Thank you. Do you guys still see that? Look, there's right there. There was one just like it. That is why I fish. That was freaking awesome. Beautiful bass. I don't care here in Missouri, that is a monster, that is a giant. I don't care what you boys down in Texas are catching, or in Florida, or over in Asia, or wherever you're at, Australia. That's why you fish. Whew, all right. There's more in here. Let's go. All right, guys, as you can see, I'm done. It is thunder and lightning. It's getting pretty wicked out there. Hope you liked this video. We caught a bunch of fish in a short time. I don't even know how long. It wasn't here very long, but the storm, I knew it was coming. It didn't have long. But this sucker right here is the real deal. It'll flat catch some bass. All right, I got to get out of here. Once again, if you like this channel, subscribe to it if you haven't already, but hit the like button when you do watch the videos. That does help me out. And help share this channel. Tell anybody you know, your friends, your neighbors, people you don't like. If you know them, tell them about the channel. Tell people you don't know about the channel. All right, that's enough. I'm out of here. Go bass and bonsai somewhere else. I'm going to go get dried off, and I ain't going to lie, probably drink a few alcoholic beverages. Mango Ritas mainly. They got a passion Rita. I drink those too. All right, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Later. I edit this. I got to edit this. I can feel it like it's getting wicked. Look at that little black-eyed devil. Oh, get it! Yeah! It got it.